Good evening, viewers. I'm Noel James. Welcome to the news. In the headlines today, incessant rains trigger landslides in many places of Meghalaya. Government sounds alert. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates newly constructed building of Nongstoin College, says government is committed towards development of education in state. And rising cases of human trafficking in Meghalaya worries government. Social Welfare Minister Kirman Shila says issue is a matter of great concern. The news in detail. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today said that the budget reflects the commitment of this government to substantially boost investment in agriculture, social sector, particularly in education and health. Replying to the debate on the discussion on the new budget in the Lok Sabha, she said that this shows the serious intent of the government towards a strong economy and the country's development. It may be mentioned that the budget of 2019-20 is aimed at making India reach USD 5 trillion economies in the next 5 years. Incessant rainfall in the past few days across the state has triggered landslides in many places, while water in streams and rivers reached the danger level, including Umkhra River in Shillong City. Landslides were reported across the state, including Garo Hills region. The continuous downpour also led to collapse of retaining walls and the trees in different parts of the state because of loose soil. The retaining wall of the AG office at Motinagar had collapsed on the early morning of Wednesday. The district authorities of East Khasi Hills have urged people to remain alert in view of incessant rain. Meanwhile, government sources said that no casualty was reported from any part of the state.
RCM has been informed all the officers and the department, different departments. I request everyone to be alert and to take good steps so that worst things shouldn't happen. And
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the newly constructed building of Nongstoin College funded under the centrally sponsored scheme Rashtriya Uchattar Shiksha Abhiyan or RUSA. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad said that the state government is committed towards development of education in the state. He said that the government will try to balance in supporting the various educational institutions across the state. Others present on the occasion included Nongstoin local MLA Macmillan Birsat, West Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Tableland Lingwa, Nongstoin College Principal Dr. I. Mautho, among others.
And I want to tell all the youngsters out here, this is a message for you, that there is no compromise in life when it comes to your values, the passion that you have, and the hard work that you need. As I said, I keep talking a lot about the MLA, but I really do respect him a lot, and that's why I'm telling you. You must always remember to always work, always be passionate about what you do.
A state-level consultation on human trafficking of women and girls in Meghalaya was held today at Yojana Bhawan Auditorium, Main Secretariat. Speaking at the inaugural session, Meghalaya Social Welfare Minister said that human trafficking results in victims facing mental and physical disorders such as depression and anxiety. He further added that the issue of human trafficking is a matter of great concern to the society where women, especially economically disadvantaged and marginalized groups, face an increased risk of exploitation. The inaugural session was attended by Chairperson Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Thailin Phanbo, Chairperson State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Meena Kharkungor, Commissioner and Secretary, Social Welfare Department, Taining Dakhar, among others.
human trafficking result in mental and physical disorder such as post-traumatic stress, depression, and anxiety, and women victims are at a higher risk for HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis, and other sexually transmitted diseases.
A 4-day ANOS and CTOS training seminar was today inaugurated by Meghalaya's Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy at the DGAR Record Conference Hall, Limekra, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy said that the NCC is a voluntary service and urged upon the youth to come forward and join the NCC so that our nation becomes strong. Dignitaries who were present on the occasion included Vice Chancellor of NEHU, Krishna Srivastava, ADG NCC Directorate, NER Major General Bipin Bakshi, VSM, NCC cadets and ANOS from all the districts. The 4-day seminar was organized by NCC Group Headquarters, Shillong, along with the State Education Department.
It plays a very important role in inculcating the ideas, the mindset of our youth in the nation building, so that we will get the future of the nation will be in a safe manner.
The Thindring Presbyterian Higher Secondary School today was inaugurated, a newly constructed building which was funded by the Asian Developmental Bank under its project supporting human capital development in Meghalaya. The newly constructed building was inaugurated by the local MLA David A. Nongrum. Speaking after the inauguration of the new building, Secretary of the school D.D. Thaba said that they have been able to add 6 new classrooms, which include computer room, science laboratory, facilities for a digital classroom, and an arts and culture room. He also lauded the ADB for selecting the schools to benefit from this project. It may be mentioned that the school was set up on February 15, 1996.
Mundur, begini kejaga kentelalong bumi.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded to be 19.7 degrees Celsius, while the minimum stood at 17.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100% and dropped to 96% in the evening. The rainfall received by the region was recorded to be 192.4 millimeters. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy skies. Rain and thunder showers may occur. Before we conclude, here are the headlines again. Incessant rains trigger landslides in many places of Meghalaya. Government sounds alert. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates newly constructed building of Nongstoin College, says government is committed towards development of education in state. And rising cases of human trafficking in Meghalaya worries government. Social Welfare Minister Kurmen Shila says issue is a matter of great concern. That's all we have for you today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time. From all of us here at the studio, good night.